Hi there, my name is Lyle Saunders, owner and operator of Peterborough Disability Tax Services, as well as Saunders Tax Service, home of the simple taxes at a simple price. Today's presentation will be the basics about the disability tax credit, as well as how it impacts the person with the disability, their spouse, or their caregiver or power of attorney. So what is the benefit of the disability tax credit being approved on an individual's tax return? Well, when you're 65 or older, you can make, on the left-hand side here, before the disability tax credit is approved, you're allowed to make a minimum of $20,866 before you have to pay taxes at tax time for the year 2020. Having the disability tax credit approved allows you to make an additional $8,576 of taxable income from a pension, RSP, what have you. So in regards to comparison, you can make essentially almost over $8,000 more tax-free, which is over $700 per month, which is absolutely amazing. And that's why people love having the disability tax credit approved, and also it can be transferable if the person with the disability doesn't have the taxable income in order of this threshold. Whatever remaining balance of this disability tax credit can be transferred over to a spouse or their caregiver or power of attorney. So with the disability tax credit, when it gets forwarded to CRA does have it in sections. So here are the sections here with the application process: mental functions for everyday life, walking, dressing, speaking, eliminating a cumulative effect of 2 or more of these points, feeding, life-sustaining therapy such as insulin shots, using needles for diabetes, and also hearing and vision loss. So what CRA is looking for this form, that does have to be filled in by your family doctor or medical specialist, is what is the daily and weekly severity of your disability? How does it impact you on a daily and weekly basis? And that's what CRA is looking for in regarding to approving or denying the disability tax credit for individuals. So in 2019, any clients age 40 or older, this is a brief summary of what they've received. In the green, it's what they've received automatically once their disability tax credit was approved by CRA, and on their personal taxes, how much they received. However, CRA doesn't always do things 100% for maximizing your taxable adjustments for your household and or for your caregiver or power of attorney. So in blue is the adjustment amounts that my company has done for these individuals. So again, on summary here, about a third of our clients from 2019, the amount that came back to them was because of adjustments beyond the automatic adjustments that CRA does once the disability tax credit is approved. So what is the disability tax credit in a nutshell? It's a 6-page medical application. It's a 6-page form that needs to be filled out by your family doctor or medical specialist and needs to be approved by the CRA. It's a non-refundable tax credit of over $8,000. And essentially, do you have taxable income, or does your spouse or caregiver power of attorney have taxable income in order to benefit from this non-refundable tax credit? Once it's approved, you can go back up to 10 years, depending on when your start date was approved. So this is where some start dates can be challenged if they only go back 2 or 3 years. Meanwhile, the disability has been ongoing for 8 to 10 years. We also change start dates with CRA to ensure that you do maximize your taxable benefits and credits. In regards to what Peterborough Disability does in the community, proud Love Local sponsor has been, we've been a proud Love Local sponsor for years, as well as a Peterborough Chamber member. We're a proud sponsor of Peterborough Challengers baseball team. My oldest son does have autism, and great teammate and great community involvement with the Peterborough Challengers. as well as networking with all these other individuals and financial advisors, because we want to make sure that you're maximizing your savings opportunities as well. So thank you very much for listening to me today. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, give me a call or send me an email. Again, Peterborough Disability Tax Services. And if you are looking for a quote or need to be caught up on your tax returns, by all means, Saunders Tax Service. We provide it year-round, simple taxes at a simple price. Thank you.